Finally, putting this build together, installing the swing arm, the covers, and the wheels. Now our Honda Innova is starting to come alive, and I'm excited for this. So let's start it up again and preparing for MOT.
Ready na the second MOT.
So, alright, so isang mabilisan tayo. Inilabas na yung ating wave para schedule sa MOT, medyo rush. Hindi pa naman na-tune, pero ipapa-MOT muna natin para legal sa daan. Hindi pa nalagay yung mga cover at mga nipalitan. Pero goods naman eh. At palagyan lang natin yung lifter kasi sobrang baba. So let's go.